Hello everyone, it's me, NYSE Einstein from the Florida New York Stock Exchange, having a wild and crazy hair day inside Bergdorf. Option expiration, kind of anemic volume. Strange week all across the board. A lot of economic data, a lot of economic reaction, a lot of yield generated business, markets up and down, rallying, sell-offs, fragility, crazy spikes in oil, crazy sell-offs in oil, more interest rates on the table, earnings season in full swing, markets in turmoil. Stop the madness, living the dream, crazy week. I'm shot, I'm tired, I'm exhausted. Let's talk about how we closed out the week. 24,462. At the end of the day, no matter what, this market still feels solid. Yes, we're down 200 points. Yes, we were down 300 points at the low. The Russell off 10, the Spiders off 23. Kind of right in line with the S&P, and transport's off 100. We've seen a volatile, crazy week. We've seen spikes in the market and oil and interest rates and yields. Not interest rates, yields. What's the name of the game for today? The 10-year spiked to 2.94. A recent record high. I don't know how long it's been, but super high. That normally instills a trigger on the sell side of equities, and that's why. Talked about it earlier in the week. So we're seeing a huge rally in commodities and oil. We're seeing a projection that the Fed, due to economic data, which I'm not clear about yet, maybe inflation or whatnot, is going to raise interest rates one extra time in 2018, causing a spike in the yield, sell-off in equities, and it's a little too economic for me. I can't really get a sense of it. Earnings have been okay. Nothing I mean, the banks are blowing it away, but then there's headwinds. So that, you know what? Let's just talk about that. So net at the end of the day, we've seen some positive days during the week, although most of them have been pretty fragile. We closed out the week in negative mode, but not that much. The volumes have been kind of weak and quiet. We saw a massive spike up in oil over the other day. It rallied almost up to $70, and then the president tweeted something this morning that it was alternatively. What did he say? Something about the price of oil was inflated and was not real. And it sold off $2, rallied back, closed out. It just shows Washington has no bearing on this market. Headlines can definitely goose it in a big way, either way, one day or next. We saw it happen yesterday. We saw it happen today. At the end of the day, it was a lot of a churn and burn week. There were some ups, there were some downs, there was some turmoil, there was some yield rallies, there were some market sell-offs, there were some earnings that were good that caused sell-offs in the stocks, there were earnings that were bad, caused rallies in the stocks. Bank stocks posted good earnings, then sell off. Then there were some fundamentals that didn't really change that much. I'm confused. I got nothing positive to say about the week, except that volumes were anemic. The spike in yield definitely caused a sell-off in the market. Earnings seemed okay. Money reallocating. Today, a lot of pressure from the tech sector. Apple got decimated. A bunch of things. Nvidia, Apple, some stuff, some headwinds. Headwinds, that's what we're going to say. The week ended out with a lot of headwinds. Obviously, I got a lot of headwinds here. I'm tired. I'm going home. It's exhausting. It's the last third week of April. I'm tired. I'm going home. I love y'all. Einstein out.